sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.
Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Today's video I'm sharing mom lifestyle. I'm trying to get it all done. I'm hoping to give you some motivation to go about your chores. So right now I'm making breakfast. I boiled some milk, made spaghetti, fried some eggs. The kids love this one, so once in a while I like to see them excited. If you're new here, I would like to introduce myself. Thank you so much. The fact that you chose to click on this video means a lot to me. On my channel, you find lots of cleaning motivation, cooking, and mom lifestyle videos. If you find such content interesting, please subscribe down below and turn on the bell so that you're notified every time I upload. Okay, this is after breakfast. I don't want to relax because then the day will become a little longer than the usual. So I immediately hand wash the dishes and also give my sink a good clean. Believe me, Alexa does no dishes. This is lunch. Sometimes, if not most times, I use this charcoal salt. We call it sidiri here for cooking. I had made my turkey and rice in here. I just prepared it off camera. So I don't know much about hair types and everything, and I know I'm not the only one. I hear people on YouTube saying this is 4C type, what, and I'm like, what are you talking about? All I know is that my girls have natural hair, and it is extremely hard to maintain, but I plan on leaving it in its natural form until they are adults so that they can decide what to do with it for themselves. But after conditioning it, I like to do a little plaiting in it, do little braids, style it a little bit so that I can go at least for the next 2 weeks before I can condition it again. It is hard to comb. You know, black hair is no joke. I know of a fellow YouTuber here, Joy Ayogu. She does something similar to this and she does it so well. If you're having troubles with your kids' hair, I will leave her link in the description below. You can always check her out. She later asked me to puff it and then leave this two aside. They call it the pussycat style. Is it? I think something of that kind. This will take me at least for the next 2 weeks. The last thing I'm doing on camera is laundry motivation. Yes, I did not wash it. I have a lady that will come in once in a while and hand wash for me. But I was doing a lot more off camera. So mom life is no joke. And being a stay-at-home mom is more than just staying at home. We are always busy. I kind of wanted to portray that in this video. I hope I gave you some motivation. If I did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you turn on that bell so that you're notified every time I upload. Until the next upload, stay safe. God bless you. Bye, you guys.